In this video, we are going to start in Creative Fabrica, and I am going to be downloading a couple images, and then I'm going to bring them into Canva, and we are going to be editing some designs that I bring in from Creative Fabrica into Canva, and we are going to be editing them. I do have Canva Pro, and I do have the Creative Fabrica All Access account. I will have a link below for this. It's an extremely good deal for this to have Creative Fabrica All Access. So see my link below. So what I did is I started searching for a couple designs that I thought would be fun to edit. So we're going to pick this ho 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 with the reindeer, and we are going to pick this Merry and Bright Christmas. So I'll start with this one. So just show you how easy it is to download these files. You just hit download here, and then you can, as soon as it's done, you unzip the file and extract it, and it is ready to go. So now we'll go back, and that same thing for Merry and Bright. You just download the file, and then you can see that it comes in, you unzip it, and then we want to have unzipped files to bring into Canva. And under my profile here, you can always go back and see your downloads, because it'll show you what you've downloaded in case you lose it. And there you can see Merry and Bright and the ho 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 there. And with the Creative Fabrica All Access, you get the license key for use on these. So it is amazing. So here we go. So let's open our Canva, and we'll start with a new design. So I'm just going to make this 8 inches by 8 inches just because that's a good size. You can make this anything that you want. So I'm going to hit create a new design here. And now let's get those images uploaded. So you're going to hit uploads here and then upload a file. And now we are going to find them here in my downloads. I've got Merry and Bright and Ho Ho Ho. So I'm going to open them up and bring them in to Canva. So we will start with Merry and Bright here. As soon as they get in all the way, I'm going to click on this one and add it to the page. And then I'm going to add another page here. Right here on the bottom, it says add page. And then I'm going to add the ho ho ho. Now, I can't edit these until they're finished uploading, because you can do other things. You can add things around them, but you cannot edit them until they are finished uploading. So I'll hit edit here to show you what I mean. So I'm going to highlight this Merry and Bright. Make sure that you click on that and then hit edit. And you can see that my Magic Studio is not available right now. They're not bright, but as soon as this is done, then they'll show up better. So here we go. So now this one is uploaded so that I can use either the background remover, the magic eraser, the magic grab, the grab text, magic edit, and magic expand. Now these, like I said, these are for you have to have Pro to do that. So again, you just click on it, hit edit. And what we're going to do here is I want to remove this text here. So I'm going to hit grab text, and I'm going to wait until it gets itself pulled up here. And then I'm going to hit all text here, and I'm going to hit grab. And so you'll see what happens here with this. It's a good way to remove text from an image, or you can change the location of it. Okay, so I am going to delete it just to show you this. And now you can see, I'll zoom in on this, that there's a little residue left here from that text. So now I'm going to highlight this again, and I'm going to go to edit. And this time I'm going to go to Magic Eraser. And I'm just going to go in. You can change your brush size here, make it as big or as small as you want, and just use your cursor and go over all of these little patches here. And then you can hit erase, and it will get rid of the rest of that image here. Let's see. It takes just a second to work its magic. All right, so here we go. I'll zoom back out so that you can see this. So I'll get a little bigger here. And then, of course, you can do whatever you want with this design. You can make it as big or as small as you want. You can go back into edit here and you can go into the, see where it says the word adjust here, and you can change coloring this way, do whatever you want to do. You can change the tint, brightness, etc. But if you go down here, also you can see if you click on a specific color, then you can change the hue and the saturation, so you can do whatever you want to get a little bit of color change here. I mean, it's not, it's what you're looking for your design, and to make it more of your own, you can see that that changes the whole outlook of the image. So now let's go back up here and we'll get out of this one. We'll shrink this back down so that we can see. And we'll go to the ho, ho, ho here. This one, I'm just going to go in and show you some of these other filters and things. So you can, let's make him bigger here. Stretch him out so that you can see it. So you can go under shadow and you can do some kind of a shadow on there. That is the drop shadow. You can do an outline, and then the outline, of course, you can change the size, etc. on that. So we'll leave that one. That's kind of cute. And then we'll close that, whoops, close that up here. And I want to go back in, and under this duo tone, this gives you some color changing options. Not always the best. So let's go back, and we'll go back to edit here again, and we'll go back to adjust. And then of course here you can change the coloring again, make it brighter, darker, the temperature here, the tint, you can change these brightness, get it brighter, whatever you want to do there. And then also here again, you can choose one of the colors here, and then you can change that. See how that purple turns to a blue color there, but it's also going to pull it like in the other colors that have that purple hue in it as well. So this is just a way that you can change some of your coloring on your designs. All right, so now let's go back into Creative Fabrica, and this is something that I wasn't going to do, so just give me a minute here. I'm going to go under fonts, and we're going to download a new font. All right, so I'm going to go under, let's go under popular styles here, and we can just go, actually, I'm just going to click on fonts, and then we'll just go in here and look at them. So you can see a whole bunch of beautiful fonts in here, and you can pick out a font to download. Let's do, ooh, this Chili Christmas is cute. Let's do this one, Chili Christmas. So you just download, you hit download, and it'll pop up. You open, whoops, open it. Here's Chili Christmas. I'm going to slide this over onto the screen so you can see it here. And then extract all, extract, and then now I'm going to go into my downloads, get in here, downloads here, and I will show you the Chili Christmas because we want to bring that in so you can see how to upload this. We're going to put it both on my computer, and then we're going to bring it into Canva. So you just click on this and you hit install. Now this is installing it on my computer. So let's see, Chili Christmas it's called. So let's go to a Word document here, and I'll show you. Let's see, let's go to insert and do a word art here. Now let's just go to a text box here, insert text box. Here we go. And so now we'll just add a quick text box here so that you can see it. Let's make it bigger. All right, and we'll go to home. We'll change the size so that you can see this. And it was Chili Christmas. So let's get this out of here. Chili Christmas. Oh, I have my cap locks on. So I'll do it again without caps, and we'll see. We'll see how they look together. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight this, and we're going to change this to Chili Christmas. Let's see. Chili Christmas. There you go. So you can see how that brings in the font into your computer so that you can use it for other things. Now let's go to Canva. because we want to also upload it into Canva. So I'm going to hit text here, and I'll just add a text box. And then here, you can see the text box came in. Right here, it came in as Canva San, which is a plain old text. So you just click on that, and then you go to upload a font here, and we're going to open up our Chili Christmas. And we're going to click that, and it's going to ask if we have permission. Yes, we do. So I'm uploading that here because we have the all access that gives us permission to use this font. So now I'm going to go to Chili Christmas right here, Chili Christmas, and it'll change our text to the Chili Christmas text. So I'm going to bring it in where you can see it here, and I'm going to change that to Chili Christmas just so that you can see it. And then, of course, you can change your colors any way that you want here. You can center this however you want. I'll show you a couple other things with this font here. So you can go up here, you can change the color, and it'll bring in the colors from now from the tree, and it'll bring in the colors from the ho 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 because they're both on uh, this page that we started on Canva, on our canvas, I guess. So here we can pick out any one of these colors to change this to. So let's change it to this pink maybe here. Now we've got that and it's still highlighted here. So I'm going to go up to effects and then you can outline this if you want, change the color, change it to whatever color you want for an outline. You can go here to the color palette and change it that way. Again, play with this as much as you want. You can make it thinner, thicker, et cetera. I'm just showing you how this works. You can do a splice, you can do a lift, you can do whatever you want here. You can go back to none. So I just wanted to show you how you can make some changes from Creative Fabrica images in Canva. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see links below.